Wipe the swab over the area to be sampled. Place the swab into the small tube containing the buffer solution. Break off the handle by bending it carefully until it snaps. Screw the lid onto the tube and shake it from side to side for 20 seconds. Remove the test strip from the foil pack. Press the bulb on the pipette and insert the open end into the tube containing the sample solution. Release the bulb to fill the pipette. Drop the contents of the pipette onto the sample point of the test strip. Leave the strip undisturbed for 25 minutes on a flat surface. The test strip will show either 1 or 2 red lines in the test window. A single line indicates a negative result. 2 lines indicate a positive result.